Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Chief Minister inspected buildings around the city that will be converted into Corona Care Centre. KSU urged the Home Minister to intervene with the plight of the farmers and difficulties faced by the farmers of not being able to sell their vegetables in the market. And now the news in detail. Due to the rising cases of COVID-19 in the state, Meghalaya Chief Minister today inspected 3 buildings around the city that will be converted into Corona Care Centres. The basic training centre at Malki with capacity for 100 beds will be converted into a makeshift Corona Care Centre to handle the COVID cases. ITI Main Building and ITI Women's Building Rinja will also be converted into Corona Care Centre that will handle male and female COVID patients separately. Similarly, the District Commerce and Industry Centre at Nongrim Hills will also be operated as Corona Care Centre, and these centres will be provided with oxygen concentrators and manpower to take on the cases.
I know, sorry, it's like a...
Both this hall and the next hall, which will accommodate around comfortably, sir. This is basically asymptomatic cases. And a separate room for the nurses. So, for any paramedics who wants to stay here, sir. So, we have a separate...
We can also have some oxygen concentrators.
This is made for the male. Okay. So, initially we were thinking separate halls for male and female, but man of the unit. There is no separate border for the females.
Right.
So this is
toilet is actually outside.
With about 40 to 50.
Yes, sir.
And it is expandable to about 80, I'm guessing.
Yes, sir.
If you can use this space also. It looks like it's expandable to 80.
Yes,
there it looks like it's going to be somewhere near 50 only, not more than that. I mean, just to, we should have enough idea of what we're looking at.
Sure, sir.
So we can plan accordingly. So what are the requirements? Just let us know quickly. So we'll just...
The KSU urged the Home Minister to intervene with the plight of the farmers. The KSU Consumer Protection Cell expressed their deep concern over the maltreatment by the police to the farmers who want to deliver their products in the market. This was expressed by Eric Nonkenry, Chairman of the Agriculture Cell, after the inspection and meeting with the farmers who could not deliver their products to various markets.
Consumer Farmer Protection Cell, PSU simply. Ni fungsi berbentuk kembali di sosial media. Kadang keretomat buat penongrap om kata. Henry kilasi penjelor di cima mata di penongrap di warna bandi sayur salat. Dan ibu kali apa nu berkom pilih puntang penjat perai cima mata. Ban keretomat di penongrap. Apa ya kibri di mana Kaya elak tuan, hadu kada jelas ni. Nagui pat jelas tuan elak iki. Hadu ya di lomana ngri pi dan kita kinong ni. Kata sendiri ga apa ambu. Kinong rap ni di jam cuma di mata. Ngri itu diberi tuan acak nama kowe pat jelas. Kio ban lalu kon lihat lailan tadi dah jelas ni. Tentu itu bawa beripet konsumsia. Jadi beripet kena bentar kin kecil kena bentar kena belum percintaan. Nama kadang bentar di euro. Jadi kentang ni kumba kesenhi ka beripet ya ka jingek jingsia dan kinorang. Ini tentu. Jadi bawa lo bakin jingsia dia ka jingek ka kinorang tentu nama Lada konsumsia, sabu kecil yang ini kita bangun. Nama balada umat, unang bermandi, ini sedang jahat, menginginkan ini.
In addition to the difficulties faced by the farmers of not being able to sell their vegetables in the market, another concern aired by the union was regarding procurement of fertilizers and manures for the farmers. The union said that the farmers are unable to purchase these requirements since the shops that sell these commodities are closed on account of the lockdown imposed by the government.
long man kasni bang iti kuman sang suha kada bang yo aban tray man kasni ngin roning sa yo na yo ngan ti biang long tapi long indo jembat man kan kum taw snampat teng dia kumni samit hamat sis ti kumni ko kriya kriya ni yang tolong donong lang ini ru kecindot ke bahra ni kaseng kadang ni di ko aja ndak tak ni bela dengan ti ni per balai tu ketemu tak sesuatu Sipang kelasir, sipang kelasir, kadang inti nak umi tang ke setia umi lah tolong kita cincin ni, dengan tung dengan rap root dengan yo bensim kelahi kuar badai kita kemut kejing jari, kita kemut kejing do, long kejing yak tangan jong pai ba, long yak tangan kan, haba mangi nyemlak ban rap, sibuk mangi nang ni, lada sibuk mentatang ni lah tung kum ni lada pelai ya kayo, kita kemut umpoi setai tiki nong bam do kejing jar orang ban yo, lada pelai jangi ban dia ban kai.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.